So you bought it down here, Chris, on VWAP?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you're up. You're way up, right?
Yeah, I was at like 98%. I got to go look at my phone to see.
Yeah. It's pulling back now, but yeah, you're way up. Good job.
Trust me, I'm holding. I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, that VWAP is key. I bought it off the bounce there. I bought some shares of GFI off the bounce of the
Correct.
50 above VWAP.
Yep.
Snap. I watched Snap bounce off of VWAP earlier. I'm locked in on that one on the call.
Yep.
VWAP is key.
Yeah, it's huge, right?
I've been watching you since like December of last month, man. I've been trading for years, but
Yeah.
I'm kind of like that one lady. I've been reading the book, but I never knew what the actual letters were. And you've literally given me terminology and you've changed my trading. Like I keep telling people at work, I'm fixing to quit work. Like,
oh, that's
maybe
awesome.
another 2 more years max. Like I'm going to be done. Like you're awesome, coach. You really
Thank
are.
you, Chris. I appreciate you, buddy. Great job.
Like I said, I've been doing this on my own for about 6 years now because I never trusted anybody with giving my money to them for them to teach me, because a lot of stuff I can learn on YouTube and they don't even give you a lot of information. And it's like, oh, well, subscribe, buy. And it's like, man, it just doesn't feel right with you, coach. Like you're very genuine, unique, and original, man. And I've invested money into you. You're the first person I've ever invested money into. And man, you've changed everything, man. You're a very great person, very great coach. And I just appreciate everything that you do for all of us. I really do.